Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making sausage pastry roll. Here are all the ingredients. So first we have some pre-cut sausages, then we have an egg to brush the pastry, and then we have 1 sheet of pastry. So first, of course, I have to unroll this puff pastry sheet. So let's take off this sheet of parchment paper, because who wants to eat parchment paper while you want to make sausage rolls? It'll be weird if we find somebody. Okay, now I'm just gonna position it at the center. Let's start by using the pizza cutter to cut it. Now I'm going to cut this part in half. So now I will cut the rest of them. So now I will roll up the sausages. So now I'll put all of this in the baking tray. So now I will brush all of this with the egg. So now this egg brushing is done. So now I will preheat the oven at 350 degrees and put this inside the oven for 20 minutes. But this is the final result of the sausage rolls. Looks so good. You can serve this with hot sauce, ketchup, or mustard. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell for more. Goodbye!